To make a paper box with a lid, you will need 2 square pieces of paper. You may want to make one piece a touch bigger. For example, in this video, one sheet is 8.5 inches square and the other is 8.25 inches square. Go ahead and set aside the larger sheet and work with just the smaller sheet. First, fold the sheet of paper in half one way, then open it and fold it in half the other way. Next, open the paper and fold in each corner until the tip meets the center. After all 4 corners are folded in, you will have a smaller square. Now, while keeping the corners folded in, fold in the right and left sides until they touch the center of the paper. You should now have a rectangle. Go ahead and unfold both sides, then unfold the right and left corners. Next, fold in the top and bottom to meet the center of the paper. Now you can fold the left side up and the right side down. This should happen easily because of the creases that you have already made. Unfold those sides and now do the opposite. Fold the left side down and the right side up. Then unfold those sides. Next, you need to open the top and bottom to a standing position. Do not flatten them. Now, fold the right side up and over, securing the pointed tip in what will be the inside bottom of the box. This process should happen easily, and when you are done, it will look like you have a 3-sided box with one loose flap. To finish your box, fold the left side up and over and ensure that all creases are tight and stiff. To make the lid, just repeat these steps with your larger sheet of paper. You can use your box to hold a gift, store small items, or just as a cute decoration. And remember, stay curious.